After months of leaks, rumors, and endless waiting, the new GoPro Mission 1 lineup is finally here. And yes, the pre-orders are now officially open. Alongside GoPro's official website, B&H is now one of the main destinations for pre-orders, especially for creators who prefer buying from a professional camera retailer. Let's start with the part everyone cares about first: pricing. The standard GoPro Mission 1 launches at $599, but if you have a GoPro subscription, the price drops to $499, giving users a solid $100 discount. That makes it a very attractive option for creators who want flagship-level performance without spending too much. The Mission 1 Pro comes in at $699, and with a GoPro subscription, buyers can grab it for $599. Considering the jump in features, especially the stronger video specs and advanced creator tools, many users will likely see the Pro as the better value. Then there's the Mission 1 Pro ILS, which is listed at $699 at B&H Photo. This version is especially interesting because it supports interchangeable lenses using a micro 4/3 mount. That changes everything for serious filmmakers because it turns GoPro into something much closer to a compact cinema tool rather than just an action camera. For shipping, early pre-orders from both GoPro.com and B&H are expected to begin shipping on or before May 28, 2026. Wider in-store availability should happen during the same week. However, the more advanced creator editions and some ILS variants are expected to arrive later in Q3 2026. Big sensor, big power, and real 8K recording. All three models use a 50-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with the GP3 image processor, and that is a major reason why these cameras are getting so much attention. A 1-inch sensor is a huge step forward for GoPro because it means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and far more professional-looking footage. The cameras support true 8K open-gate video recording, which gives creators much more flexibility when editing. Open-gate means you can use the full sensor area, allowing easy reframing later for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or cinematic horizontal videos without losing quality. The Mission 1 Pro can shoot 8K at 60 frames per second, which is honestly massive for a camera this small. It also offers 4K at 240 frames per second and extreme slow motion up to 960 frames per second in Full HD. While the highest frame rates work only in short bursts, the 480 frames per second options in 1080p and 1440p are much more practical for real projects. The standard Mission 1 still offers 8K at 30 frames per second, which is more than enough for many creators who simply want premium image quality without needing every professional feature. Why the Mission 1 Pro ILS is the most interesting model. The Mission 1 Pro ILS is easily the most exciting version because of its interchangeable lens system. Using a micro 4/3 mount, creators can attach telephoto lenses, macro lenses, and even cinema lenses instead of being stuck with the usual ultra-wide action camera look. This opens up an entirely new creative world. You can now shoot portraits, close-up product videos, cinematic B-roll, and controlled studio work using a GoPro body. That's something we've never really seen before. Of course, there are trade-offs. Since it still uses a 1-inch sensor, there is a crop factor, so lenses behave differently compared to native MFT cameras. It also loses full waterproofing and doesn't include autofocus, so this model is clearly designed for planned filmmaking rather than quick travel shooting. Audio, accessories, and why this feels bigger than just a GoPro launch. Audio also gets a serious upgrade with 32-bit float recording from 4 built-in microphones. This is huge because it means audio clipping becomes much less of a problem. Loud sounds can be fixed later during editing without ruining the recording. GoPro also added 10-bit GP Log 2 color science, HDR support, and bit rates up to 240 megabits per second. That means more detail, cleaner footage, and much stronger flexibility for color grading. This is clearly aimed at creators who care about post-production quality. Battery life is also stronger, offering over 3 hours of recording at 4K and up to 5 hours at 1080p. Add improved thermal performance, better waterproofing up to 66 feet, AI smart capture modes, and support for new accessories like wireless mics, creator editions, and AI-powered gimbals, and it becomes clear this is much bigger than a normal GoPro refresh. This might be the moment GoPro stops being known as just an action camera brand. With the Mission 1 series, it feels like the company is trying to compete in the much larger creator and filmmaking market. And honestly, they might succeed.